What's up guys, thank you very much for watching my video. The entire clip you just saw was filmed directly on the Insta360 GO camera and it was edited on my phone. So this is a 20-gram fully stabilized HD video camera. It's really awesome, and if you want to learn more, there's an affiliated link down below and you'll get a free gift in exchange. And with your support, I'll be able to buy another Insta360 GO camera because I want to take it apart and make it even lighter to put it on a smaller drone to take more footage in different smaller places. So thank you very much for your support, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you.